trying to see if she can know where we live.
She's leading the way, huh?
Yeah. We have to give her a lot of space so she doesn't feel like she can stop and show her where we're going. Okay, Inazuba, you are a new student here. Guys, this is my room. Okay, she came here as a brocade. She was giving us stress. Remove your school materials. How do you feel?
I feel good.
Now you won't be burrowing. Thank you. We are free. I want to show you Ineza, but she's in a very awkward position.
Party, who it up, she baby. I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my baby. Do you want to party? Who it up, she baby. I won't tell nobody. 내가 널 지켜줄게 however you want it, my baby.